And even as the country celebrates the arrival of 20 Jamaican students from Poland, concern about one student and her cat.
Yeah, she
Okay,
is.
Victoria.
Sleeping.
This is Sabrina Lewis with her cat Victoria. She's had Victoria for 5 of her 6 years in Ukraine and has developed a strong bond.
I look at her as my baby, right? She's my child, and me, nah go run leave my pitney. If me have to carry anybody, me I carry she my documents and me I cut me nah leave my pitney.
But Ukraine is a Category 3 rabies country, meaning rabies is not under control. Therefore, under Jamaican law, the cat is not allowed in Jamaica right now. Dr. Osbill Watson is head of the Veterinary Services Division in the Ministry of Agriculture.
The cat has to be coming in from a Category 1 or Category 2 country directly. Category 1 country is pretty much either rabies-free or rabies is very well controlled. Category 2, rabies has to be adequately controlled, and Category 3 is where rabies is not adequately controlled. So the Ukraine at this time would fall on a Category 3 country, which means that it would have to be quarantined in a Category 1 or Category 2 country before it can enter Jamaica.
The World Health Organization estimates nearly 60,000 deaths annually due to rabies. Ukraine reported 551 cases of rabies in 2020. Dr. Watson says because of rabies fatality rate, there can be no leeway for exemption in the interest of public health.
When someone contracts rabies, they will almost always die. That's the nature of the disease. The highly fatal viral disease of the central nervous system, the brain, the spinal cord.
But Foreign Affairs Minister Kamina Johnson-Smith says the government has found a possible solution.
There happens to be a set of German veterinarians in Jamaica at this time, and linking through him and the JSPCA and the veterinary community, we've identified someone who can assist with placement of the cat at a facility in Germany where she would be able to go through the different stages necessary for her to travel to Jamaica. So by now they should have contacted her by email to let her know the contact information of the person who can assist. And we do hope that the family will be able to take up their services.